FAQs of Loropetalum Purple Majesty. As a plant enthusiast, I'm excited to dive into the world of Loropetalum Purple Majesty. This vibrant shrub, Purple Majesty Loropetalum, has won my heart with its striking color and manageable size. Let's explore the frequently asked questions about this stunning plant. What is Loropetalum Purple Majesty? Loropetalum chinense Purple Majesty is a variety of Loropetalum, a member of the witch hazel family. This shrub stands out for its deep purple foliage and pink, fringe-like flowers. Its compact growth and colorful leaves make it a popular choice for gardeners looking to add a splash of color to their landscapes. How tall does Loropetalum Purple Majesty get? The Loropetalum Purple Majesty height typically ranges from 3 to 5 feet. This makes it a great option for those who want a mid-sized shrub that doesn't overwhelm their garden space. It maintains a neat, rounded shape, which is perfect for adding structure and color without taking up too much room. What are the care requirements for Loropetalum Purple Majesty? Loropetalum Purple Majesty care is relatively straightforward. Here's what I've found to be key. Sunlight. This plant thrives in full sun to partial shade. In my garden, it seems to flourish best with around 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil. Well-drained soil is essential. I've found that a slightly acidic to neutral soil works well. Watering. Regular watering is crucial, especially during dry spells. However, be careful not to overwater as it can lead to root rot. Fertilizing. A balanced, slow-release fertilizer in spring helps promote healthy growth and vibrant foliage. Is Loropetalum Purple Majesty deer-resistant? Yes, Loropetalum Purple Majesty deer-resistant. In my experience, deer tend to avoid it. The plant's unique foliage and growth habit are not particularly appealing to these animals, making it a good choice for areas with deer pressure. What about Loropetalum Purple Majesty dwarf varieties? The Loropetalum Purple Majesty dwarf is a smaller version of the original plant. It usually reaches about 2 to 3 feet in height, making it ideal for smaller gardens or as a container plant. Its compact size doesn't compromise its vibrant color, making it a popular choice for adding a pop of purple to tight spaces. Can Loropetalum Purple Majesty be grown as a tree? Certainly. While not as common, the Loropetalum Purple Majesty tree form can be trained into a small tree. This requires some pruning and shaping, but it can create a striking focal point in your garden. It's an excellent option if you're looking to integrate the plant into a more formal landscape design. How do you propagate Loropetalum Purple Majesty? Loropetalum Purple Majesty propagation can be done through several methods. Cuttings. Taking softwood cuttings in late spring or early summer is one effective method. Use a rooting hormone to encourage growth and plant them in a well-draining soil mix. Seed. While less common, seeds can be used. However, germination rates may be lower, and the process can be more unpredictable. What should you plant with Loropetalum Purple Majesty? When choosing companion plants, consider those that complement its color and growth habits. Some options that pair well with Loropetalum Purple Majesty include evergreens like boxwood or holly for year-round structure, ornamental grasses such as fountain grass for texture contrast, brightly colored annuals like petunias or calibrachoa to enhance the visual appeal. How do you handle pests and diseases with Loropetalum Purple Majesty? Loropetalum Purple Majesty pests are relatively few, but keep an eye out for common issues like spider mites and aphids. Regular inspections and treating with insecticidal soap or neem oil usually do the trick. As for diseases, ensure proper air circulation and avoid overhead watering to prevent fungal problems. In summary, Loropetalum Purple Majesty is a versatile and striking addition to any garden. Whether you're interested in its deer resistance, its potential as a dwarf or tree form, or simply how to care for it, this shrub has a lot to offer. Its vibrant color and manageable size make it a standout choice for gardeners of all skill levels.